SmartDraw integrates seamlessly with third-party storage options like Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. We'll walk you through connecting to OneDrive, but the steps would be the same for any of the possible third-party storage solutions. There are a few places you can connect to these services. First, from the dashboard, select Integrations and choose Storage. On the Storage page, we'll choose OneDrive in this case. A new browser window will open and prompt you to log in to your OneDrive account. Alternatively, from the dashboard, you can select Documents and click on Add Storage to see a list of options available to link. Choose OneDrive and proceed in the same way. You can also save any diagram to OneDrive using Save a Copy in the File tab. Once connected, you can see and access all your files and folders from OneDrive by clicking on Documents and then selecting the OneDrive tab at the top. You can even search just for files stored on OneDrive using the Search tool. All shared folders from OneDrive will be available and inherit the permissions set by OneDrive. And with the SmartDraw app for OneDrive, you can open any SmartDraw files stored on your OneDrive folder directly. Clicking on a SmartDraw file will open SmartDraw in a new tab. Any changes and edits will be saved back to OneDrive. You can also create a new SmartDraw document directly from OneDrive without first opening SmartDraw. Click Create and select SmartDraw. This will open the SmartDraw app in a new tab.